Hi, I am Susan, your health counselor from DXSaver.com. Today I am going to explain interesting facts about diabetes in this short video. Diabetes is the 7th leading cause of death in the United States. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 30 million Americans have diabetes. And 1 in 4 of those people actually does not know they have diabetes. So what exactly is diabetes? Diabetes is a metabolic condition where your body does not produce enough insulin or it cannot use the insulin effectively, which helps the cells to absorb the glucose in the body. We all know that glucose plays a vital role in the body, as it is an important source of energy for the cells. With this condition, it makes it difficult for the cells to absorb the glucose, and thus results in high blood sugar levels. There are different types of diabetes, some of which are more prevalent than others. The most common types of diabetes are Type 1 diabetes. It was also known as juvenile diabetes, as most of the people diagnosed with type 1 diabetes were children and young people. But then they found out that type 1 diabetes can occur in adults too. Type 1 diabetes occurs when the immune system destroys all the cells in the pancreas that is responsible to produce insulin for the cells to absorb glucose. It is an autoimmune disease and is very rare. The next type is called type 2 diabetes. It is the most common type of diabetes. The type 2 diabetes often develops from prediabetes, where the blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but are not high enough to be diagnosed as diabetes. Type 2 diabetes occurs when your body resists to the insulin produced by the pancreas. It is a long-term disease and there is no cure found for type 2 diabetes till date. Only a combination of proper diet, medications and exercise can help you to reach and hold the normal blood glucose levels. The other common type of diabetes is gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes occurs only in pregnant women. Some hormones produced by the placenta block the insulin, which results in high blood glucose levels. Gestational diabetes, if left untreated, can cause severe complications to the mother and the baby. Now, how do you know that you have diabetes? Normally, the diabetes symptoms vary depending on the type of diabetes you have. But the most common symptoms of different types of diabetes are increased hunger, increased thirst, unusual weight loss, blurry vision, tiredness, mood swings, frequent urination, sores or wounds that do not heal. In common, people with body mass index higher than 25, people about 45 years of age, and women diagnosed with gestational diabetes are at a high risk of developing diabetes. Diabetes can be diagnosed using a simple blood test. Ouch! Sorry. But, what happens if diabetes is left untreated? Well, you are not going to like the answer. The high blood sugar levels can cause severe complications like cardiovascular disease, damages to the nerve, kidney, eye, foot, and bacterial infections. Okay, so how to prevent diabetes? The answer is simple. Follow a healthy lifestyle, proper low-carb diet, and regular physical activity. But, still, the risks of developing diabetes is high if you are above 45 years of age, if you are obese, and having a family history of diabetes. So if you are one of them, then click on the link in the description to get tested for diabetes, which I would strongly recommend. I believe this video helped you learn something new about diabetes. But don't stop there, like and share this video to your friends, to help them learn as you did. Subscribe to our channel to know more interesting facts about different diseases.